Hi guys, here we've got iPhone 14 Plus, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate live photo. So at first you need to open your camera app. Let's go to to photo, and here in the right upper corner you've got a live photo picture. So let me activate it. So once it is not crossed, live picture is active, and let me show you how it works. So let me, for example, grab a picture of those signs, and now if you will open it, you'll be able to notice that you'll be able to notice that it grabbed 3 seconds before and after the camera shutter. So this is it. Obviously you can switch it off smoothly by using the same switcher in the right upper corner. So whenever it is crossed, then it is switched off, so you will not be able to grab any action. As you can see now, it will be not possible. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.